Hey girls. Okay, so I've been asked by some people about my skincare. And apparently it's kind of confusing. And I'm gonna try to get myself washing my face on video. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I'll at least explain it as I go while I'm doing it. So I wash my face with honey, and I usually, since I'm wearing makeup, I'll add in a little bit of coconut oil to help remove the makeup. So basically what I do is I keep my honey, and I've turned it upside down because with the weather change and stuff, like when there's a whole bunch of like temperature change, honey tends to crystallize. And so when I notice mine starting to do that, I just flip it upside down, and that way it's not all stuck at the bottom. But I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get any out. So, because it's like really crystallized and I need to buy some more tomorrow. So hopefully it comes out. And then my coconut oil, I keep it in a little container, just like a Target, like the travel containers that you can get at Target. I just put some in there so that I'm not like dipping my fingers into like the giant like coconut oil tub that we used to cook with, because that's gross. And then I use this is just an old bottle that I had, but I mix it in here. It's just 1 part apple cider vinegar and 2 parts water. And you can actually, like, I probably need to reduce the amount of apple cider vinegar. It just depends on your skin, how much you use. But basically, the honey has antimicrobial properties in it. So it helps to, like, reduce the bacteria on your skin, and it kind of helps to moisturize. And if you, the longer you leave it on, the more it works in your skin. So you can use it like kind of as a mask too. And the coconut oil removes makeup. And so that's kind of good too. And whatever the coconut oil doesn't get off, the apple cider vinegar will finish getting it off. And the apple cider vinegar also kind of helps to remove like the dead skin, and it helps to prevent blemishes and acne and like age spots and wrinkles. It's supposed to help kind of fight against that too. So here we go. I'm going to wash my face now. Enjoy. Okay, so it's just like a little bit of coconut oil. It's not much. And then that's enough honey. Like, you don't need a lot. Maybe a little more, but mine, like I said, is having trouble coming out of the container. And it kind of all melts into your hands. And you just love it. Rub it in. I like to get it up kind of off my elbows. Kind of drips down there. And you want to make sure to get it like really good, especially around the edges and stuff. It's where I kind of have trouble like accidentally leaving some on my face. But if you don't get it off, it stays sticky. But it just really dissolves off pretty well. So there's that. And then I forgot to get my cotton out. Hold on. Okay. So, and then I take a cotton ball and I just get a tiny bit of coconut oil, just a tiny, tiny bit, and just rub a little bit of it on your eyes. And if it gets into your eye, it doesn't hurt. Like, it's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. And then just wipe off the makeup. And it's good for your eyes too. Like, it helps to kind of moisturize your eyes, so that helps to prevent wrinkles and stuff around your eyes. And there's my eye makeup. It's gone now. Just give it an extra little rinse. And my eye makeup is gone. Sorry, my counter in my bathroom is really short, so I'm trying to bend down here while I... And then you just put a little apple cider vinegar water mixture on your cotton. And there's a little bit of makeup on there, but most of it came off with the coconut oil. And that's it. That's how I wash my face. And in the mornings, I just use the honey because I'm not wearing makeup, and just kind of to freshen up my skin and keep it, you know, I mean, just to kind of keep it fresh. And then also, I keep a little bit of toilet paper or just grab a little bit of toilet paper and wipe off my sink, because if you if you drip on your sink, then once it dries, the honey stays and it's like sticky. So I always wipe that off while it's wet because it's easier to clean that way. So anyway, that's my skincare regimen. Good luck.